Hey friends, it's Miss Melissa. I really miss you guys and I cannot wait till we see each other again. But for now, we're going to read a book together. And the book I'm going to be reading is Red Rooster. Now the author of this book is Kathleen Sullivan Carroll, and the illustrator, or the person who drew all the pictures you're going to see here, is Suzette Barbier. Now this is the front cover. This is where you can see the title and the picture. And this is the back cover. And this is the most important part of the book because it holds the pages together. And this is the spine. Now my friends, this book is going to focus on counting to 10 and identifying our colors and identifying animal sounds. So let's get started. One red rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, and we have our one red rooster. Two black cows went moo, moo, moo. We have 1, 2. 3 blue birds went tweet, 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 tweet. We have 1, 2, 3. And we have our 2 cows and our 1 red rooster. 4 white sheep went ba, ba, ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have our 3 birds, our 2 cows, and our 1 red rooster. 5 orange cats went meow, meow, meow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have our 4 sheep, our 3 birds, our 2 cows, and our 1 red rooster. 6 gold dogs went woof, 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 woof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have our 5 cats, our 4 sheep, our 3 birds, our 2 cows, and our 1 rooster. 7 brown horses went neigh, neigh, neigh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have our 6 dogs, our 5 cats, our 4 sheep, our 3 birds, our 2 cows, and our 1 red rooster. 8 gray donkeys went eon, 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 eon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have our 7 horses, our 6 dogs, our 5 cats, our 4 sheep, our 3 birds, our 2 cows, and our 1 red rooster. 9 yellow chicks went beep, 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 beep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have our 8 donkeys, our 7 horses, our 6 dogs, our 5 cats, our 4 sheep, our 2 cows, and our 1 rooster. And 10 pink pigs fell fast asleep. And pigs make an oink, 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 oink sound, or so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have all our friends in the background. Now, let's practice counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have our 10 pigs, our 9 chicks, our 8 donkeys, our 7 horses, our 6 dogs, our 5 cats, our 4 sheep, our 3 birds, our 2 cows, and our red rooster. The end.